integrity, ass kicking, dedication, compassion, and consistency. Those are the 5 things that we live by and we die by.
You have to feel comfortable being uncomfortable. You have to be able to do anything for your client within the bounds of law. You do need a fighter mentality.
When individuals come to you, they believe they do not have a voice, especially when they're going against institutions, whether it's a criminal case or whether it's a personal injury case. And that's when you have to have that fighter mentality to say, hey, look, not only do you have the voice, but your voice is actually louder than theirs.
Here recently, I came in from a car accident. A car cut over in front of me and blindsided me, which basically tore up the front end of my vehicle. From the accident, I did receive soft tissue injuries in the back. I knew at that point that this is probably going to escalate to where I need to have representation. So I've been knowing Thomas pretty much all my life. We grew up in the same community. He's an honest person, straightforward, and just because he knows you, he's not going to tell you what you want to hear. He's going to give you the facts. He's going to let you know how to handle the case, and he's going to let you know the possible outcomes. So you are very prepared when you deal with him. I think that without Thomas Pyles Law Firm, there's no way that I would have received the compensation that I received. I would definitely recommend the Office of Thomas C. Pyles. The care and concern they have for their clients is incredible.
I like fighting for the people in this community because it's a tight-knit community, so we kind of all know one another. I grew up with a lot of my clients, and they become like family.
One of my favorite things to do in the community is I am a mock trial coach for a local high school in the community, North Point High School.
2 years ago, we were looking for an attorney coach. And through a mutual acquaintance, she actually said, Sean Williams would love to help coach your team as well. And for the past 2 years, Sean has really been kind of working with the North Point team a lot. And his strengths and just what I appreciate about him is his enthusiasm. You can tell that he was really into helping these kids and he wanted to be there. And he's even offered internships to former students that have graduated, so now that they're in college, for a summer internship too.
The benefits of working with my team is we'll fight for you. Not only will we fight for you, we cannot be touched in that courtroom. We do ample amount of preparation, ample amount of practicing. We devote ourselves to the case, and we get those results that are needed.
If you're looking for a lawyer in the personal injury realm, I would highly recommend the Law Office of Thomas C. Pyles. We are great at finding people who are in the storms of their life and being that guiding light to help them through this process and to ultimately put them back together again and put them in a better place than when we found them. We're here to help and give you that guiding light that you need.